This week's news has us feeling inspired. Fiat brand is turning heads once again with new drops for the all-electric 500e with two new models, Inspired by Beauty and Inspired by Music. The Inspired by Beauty edition offers an exclusive stunning rose gold exterior color, paired with warm beige eco-leather interior. Also inside, you'll find a soft touch steering wheel and chic eco-leather wrapped dashboard. Experience the art of sound with the Inspired by Music edition, which features sleek tuxedo black exterior color and an immersive listening experience when you sit inside, thanks to its exceptional JBL 7-speaker amplified audio system. The premium sound system offers listeners a virtual reality audio experience unlike any other, with 4 unique audio experiences for your listening pleasure. Both drops hit North America showrooms in the third quarter of 2024, with MSRP starting at $36,000. Head to fiatusa.com to learn more. Continuing the inspiration, the company has once again joined forces with the Department of Energy to support the Battery Workforce Challenge, a collegiate engineering competition that tasks students with designing, building, testing, and integrating an advanced electric vehicle battery pack. Stellantis Senior Vice President and Head of Global Propulsion Systems, Mickey Bly, revealed to student participants the vehicle they'll be working on to complete this challenge is the Ram ProMaster EV. Introduced earlier this year, the ProMaster EV was designed specifically for electrification, and provides students a great proving ground to push the boundaries of technology. And finally, as we move closer to hitting the desert in Moab, Utah for this year's Easter Jeep Safari, we're getting a sneak peek of 2 new Jeep performance parts by Mopar concepts. We can't wait to see these one-of-a-kind rock crawlers, packed with hardcore off-roading JPP accessories, in action at the end of this month. We hope you're just as excited as we are to see this year's group of concepts hit the trails at Easter Jeep Safari. Those are this week's top stories on Stellantis Spotlight. Reporting for Stellantis Digital Media, I'm Peter Spezia.